Lovely townhome fully furnished and ready for you to move in. Floors on main level replaced 2015, refrigerator 2018. Large kitchen with tons of cabinetry and easy flow out to extended living on your screen porch with a view of lake. Master bedroom leads out to a second screen porch with a view of lake and community. Your own deeded slip just steps away along with waterfront picnic tables and wonderful play space. Located minutes from the heart of Lake Gaston Eaton Ferry Bridge. Approximately 1 hour 45 minutes to Richmond VA, 1 hour and 30 minutes to Raleigh and 1 hour 15 minutes to Durham. All of this and under $300,000 to get on Lake Gaston. Start creating your lifetime memories now.